How can you use your integrity and sense of service to empower women and help preserve a legacy of equality and respect in your community?
I'll show my integrity first by promoting my respected tourism, and together by advocating empowerment and protection, with social work and community development to education and personal well-being. Because I know that with my help, my fellow community, my fellow people will come and trust me to support them and give them justice. Because as empowerment can be a crucial form of protection, and protection can facilitate empowerment with the balanced approach of the two, individuals and communities will thrive. Thank you so much.